All right, so grade 8 math, we're in lesson 5.7. And for your first set of questions, it just says you got to take the ratio that's given, and you have to write the ratio with the first term of 1. So let's give you an example of what that might look like, okay? So here's a ratio 7 to 21. Okay, I'm going to change that so that the first number is 1. Okay? And obviously to transform that 7 into a 1, you've either got to use multiplication or division with a ratio, just like a fraction. When you change the denominator, you've got to change the numerator, and you do so with multiplication or division. We do the exact same thing with a ratio. So how would I transform that 7 into a 1 using multiplication or division? Well, it got smaller, so I know I didn't use multiplication. It had to be division. Okay? Obviously, to change that into a 1, all I did was divide by 7. Just like a fraction, if I do something to the first number, I've got to do the exact same thing to the second number. So I divided the first number by 7. I'm going to divide the back number by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Okay, and I just created myself an equivalent fraction with the number 1 in the ratio. Or not, sorry, not equivalent fraction. An equivalent ratio using the number 1. Okay, give you another example here, just to give you a little more practice. Let's say we had, I don't know, how about 8 and 64. Okay, and we need to transform the first number into 1. So how did I do that? I divided by 8. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing to the back number, because I have to be consistent. Okay, I can't change the front without changing the back, and it has to be changed by the same amount. So I'm going to divide the back by 8, and of course 8 times 8 is 64, so I know that 64 divided by 8 is 8. Here's my equivalent fraction, or my equivalent ratio, with the number 1 in it. Okay, and so that will get you through number 1, A to D.